How to log out WhatsApp from other devices. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to guide you on how you can log out WhatsApp from other devices, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to log out WhatsApp from other devices, if you happen to log in your WhatsApp account to other devices as well, and then you want to log out of those devices, you can simply open up WhatsApp and just make sure that you are logged into your account. Now, to find all the linked devices, look for the three dots option from the top right hand side of the screen here and then tap on it. Once you tap the three dots option from the top right, simply go to the option that says linked devices, and from linked devices you'll find a list of those devices that you want to log out. Select them and tap the logout option. In my case, I don't have any devices, that's why you're seeing this, but if you do, then you'll be able to see those, and this way you'll be able to go ahead and then basically log out WhatsApp from other devices. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, queries or doubts, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.